So you've started planning and you're thinking you're totally stumped on the bridal gown. Well, dress shops can provide so many options for bridal gowns nowadays that it can actually be overwhelming. Long sleeve, short, nun, silhouette, A-line, ball gown. There's so many choices for every type of bride. Yes, you love your mom, your sister-in-law, your maid of honor, and the 6 bridesmaids. But have you ever tried to get a crowd to agree on where to go for dinner? You can only imagine how hard it would be to find a consensus on a gown. Now narrow the group down to 2 or 3 people whose opinions matter most to you. A negative comment from a cousin or mother-in-law is just another way to add more strife to the already increasingly, unfortunately, stressful process of planning a wedding. It's easy, especially for people-pleasing brides, to bend at the moment to what someone else's opinion might be. But it's really crucial to go with what you love and what feels like your dream dress, regardless of other people's expectations. Before you go to a bridal shop, go crazy on Pinterest. Yeah, I'm giving you permission. Do it. Scroll through, create a board specifically for the styles of dresses you like. Whether it be long sleeved, a boho chic dream, or ball gown. And if skirts aren't your style, go for a T-length or a white mini dress like a rocker chic, party vibe, don't want to dress at all, try pantsuit. Whatever style it is, it's yours. And that reminds me of our theory on dresses and weddings in general. Remember, it's your big day, so follow your dreams, whatever they might be. Following this advice, we have seen that weddings can be fun.